Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Mr. 3D. Today we are gonna take a look at an add-on known as Node Relax. It's available for free. I will leave the link in the description below for you to download it. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into this tutorial. Alright, first of all, go into the Edit, Preferences, Add-on section, click on Install Add-on, and find that wherever you have saved. So in my case, I have saved it right here, Node Relax add-on main, and then click on Install add-on. It's gonna install it, and type in Node Relax. Here it is. Make sure it's checked, and then save preferences. Now close preferences, and on the node editor, go over to this by pressing N, sidebar by pressing N, and then select the Node Relax add-on section. From here you can click on some brush size, distance, relax power, power slide, collision power, all that stuff. So I will leave this in default settings, and then click on relax brush. So it's gonna make it circular brush, and then once you click and drag, it's gonna make it smooth and equal, like so. And you can also press Shift R for the shortcut key. And here is also node arrange. Make sure click on node arrange nodes. It's gonna automatically arrange all of them, as you can see. And you can use relax brush as well. So I hope you like this add-on, and of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you're new here, it's gonna be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so that you won't miss the next video or the next update. See you in the next tutorial.